I'm losing my gravity. All the weight that holds me down. It's your love that lifts me out. You cross my security. This world has no more control. I'm renewed and
Pwede
I'm
mo po ba natin
restored.
i-declare, JA1 Pangasinan will grow faster,
My life is elevated
bigger,
cause you make me
and
move.
stronger.
And I'm rising up with you.
We will go
Rising up
the
with you.
extra
Rising
mile.
up with you. Rising up with you. You take me high on the wings of your truth. Yes, I'm rising up with you. Rising up with you.
Yun na ba ang buhay? Kasi naghahanap ako ng meaning eh. Yun na lang. Tatanda na lang tayo. Hihinga na nga lang tayo ng hihinga hanggang sa tumigil ng paghinga. Sabi ko, napakalungkot ng existence dito kapag walang meaning ang buhay. Salamat. Binigyan ng Diyos ng meaning ang buhay natin. Ayon sa pagkatawag niya, tinawag niya tayong maglingkod sa Kanya at yun ang nagbigay ng kahulugan sa buhay natin.
Make my knees hit the ground and let your feet cast my crown. Your grace grabs a hold of me. You pull me up from the dark. I'm looking down above the stars.
Mahirap to go an extra mile kung ang pinakamalayo mo lang na natatanaw ay hanggang dito lang sa lupa. Tingnan natin lampas sa pansamantalang mundong ito. Tumingin tayo lampas dito patungo sa walang hanggang kaharian ng Diyos. We have to change our mind.
My life is elevated cause you make me move. And I'm rising up with you.
Maglingkod pa, mag-serve pa, sumunod pa. Napakahirap noon unless we change our mind.
Wings of your truth. Yes, I'm rising up with you. Rising up with you.
Sabi ng Psalms 90 verse 12, teach us to number our days that we may gain a heart of wisdom. Turuan po ninyo kami na bilangin ang aming araw upang kami magkaroon ng pusong may karunungan. At ang ibig ko sabihin, ang sabi ng Bible, bilangin mo ang araw mo. Kung gusto mong maging matalino, bilangin mo ang araw mo. Bakit? Walang nagbibilang. Because if we know, we are going to pray more. We are going to love more. We are going to serve more. Sabi ko nga eh, nagmamahal ka na rin laan, tutuhanin mo na.
The only way, and I'll never be the same. Rising up with you.
Go the extra mile. Matthew 5:41. If a soldier demands that you carry his gear for a mile, carry it 2
Rising up
miles.
with you. You take me
Now,
higher.
tapatan na. Mahirap itong gawin unless maunawaan natin na ang pagkatawag po sa atin ay galing sa
Rising up with
Diyos.
you. You